I made a quick, candid iPhone short recipe video. This has two of my favorite soups, and these also help with keeping my weight in check when I'm not vlogging. Recipe 1: Chicken clear soup with vegetables. Add a tablespoon of oil to a heated pan. Add a little ginger, a few cloves of garlic, and 250 grams of chicken with bone. When the chicken changes color a little bit, add a liter of water. Add 1 liter water. Add some salt to taste. Once you bring this to a boil, cover it on low flame and cook it for 30 minutes to get a good chicken stock. Cover and cook on low for 30 minutes. My chicken stock is ready. Strain out the soup. Debone the chicken. Heat a pan and add a little oil, very little oil. Add some garlic, 1 small onion, fry it for a bit. This soup itself is a meal, it's a full meal. With this soup I end up having nothing else. It also keeps my weight in check. So once your onion changes the color, add some beans and some carrots. Cook it for some time. You don't want to overcook anything. Then add your mushrooms and cook for a bit. When the mushrooms change color, just add your chicken. Cook for a few seconds. Add your chicken broth. Add some salt, some pepper. Give it a good mix and bring it to a boil. This soup is so filling that I don't even need to use any starch. So this is pretty healthy and very, very tasty. Cover and cook on low for about 4 to 5 minutes. My soup is almost done. A cap full of vinegar. Add some spring onions. And then take a beaten egg and start adding it. And my soup is ready. This is how the soup looks. It smells amazing. It's a whole meal by itself. This soup is also great for keeping your weight in check. Recipe 2: Cream of tomato soup. Heat a pan and add some butter. Add some bay leaves, some cinnamon and some clove. Add 4-5 cloves of garlic. Add 1 chopped onion. I'm adding 500 grams of tomatoes and a little salt to taste. Give it a good mix. Cover and cook for 4 minutes. 4 minutes are over. Tomatoes are softer. I'm going to add some celery here. This is about 2 or 3 sticks of celery. It adds a beautiful flavor to the soup. Mix it for another minute. Once you mix this, cover it for another minute. Then we're going to cool this down and make a paste of it. Cook for another minute. I'm going to add the tomatoes to a food processor, but I will keep it under the fan because you don't want to put it on while it's hot. Strain the tomatoes. Heat the same pan and add your tomato. One thing I forgot to mention, before you grind it, make sure you remove all the garam masala. That is something I had forgotten to mention. Anyway, add a little water if you want it to be thinner. If you want to keep it thicker, you can keep it thicker. I will not be using any starch or corn flour. Add some salt, some pepper, and a little sugar if you want. Give it a good mix and bring it to a boil. When it comes to a boil like this, cover and cook for about 5 minutes. My soup is ready. It smells really good. I'm going to add a little cream. Add a little fresh cream. But switch off the stove before you mix it. Just to keep it healthy, my croutons will be toasted and not fried. My cream of tomato soup is ready without the extra cream on top, but trust me, it's equally tasty. I'm going to be having them with my toasted croutons, but trust me, it tastes yum. Do give this recipe a try and let me know how you like it.